Hi, I'm Amalie with Systematic Excellence Consulting, and today I'm going to show you guests inside of ClickUp, so how to add them and such. So I'm inside of ClickUp here. Guests can be added to folders, lists, and tasks. So I'm going to show you how to do that first. So let's go to folders. And you click on the three dots, you go to sharing and permissions, you type in their email address, and then you click next. And then you can choose guest or member. I'll go over members in another video, but the member is someone that you would pay for as part of your subscription. So we want to invite a guest, and I can choose if I want them to have full access, meaning they can see everything, and they can create tasks. So this particular account is on the free version, so I can't choose what guests will have. But if you have the unlimited or business plan, then you can actually choose what they can see. So you'd be able to do a view only, so they can read, they can't comment or edit, or they can comment. They can change the status and assignees, or they can actually edit the tasks, but they won't be able to create it. So to have full access, they basically can see everything, move the tasks around, change the statuses, assign it, they can edit the task. So because this is the free account, I'm only able to leave them with full access. So then I'd click invite. Okay, so now over here for the list, you do the same exact thing. You click on the three dots, go to sharing and permission. Again, type their email address in, click next, and then you invite them. And then if it's a task, and let's say that you don't necessarily want them to have access to everything that's in the folder or the whole list, but you do want them to have access to one particular task, you would open the task up, sharing and permissions, and invite them by email. Now, you will have options that once you start inviting guests, if you add them to a task in one place and then maybe you want to add them to a list later somewhere else, their name will be here and you can then share something else with them. And so you could just click on their name to do that. So that's how you do those things. If, let's say, you add a guest to a list, but you don't necessarily want them to see one of the tasks, then you can make it private, which will not allow them to see that, and you can add specific people to that. So you can change the permissions on tasks, lists, and then for folders, you can do the same thing. You can make it private as well. So that's adding guests. In the next video, I'm going to go over notifications inside of ClickUp. Again, my name is Amalie. I'm with Systematic Excellence Consulting. If you're stuck and need some one-on-one help, or maybe you have an extensive project that you would like support with, you can book a discovery call using the link below. Thank you so much for watching.